Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us. How to check if your Samsung phone is original or fake. Undoubtedly, Samsung is one of the best manufacturers when it comes to producing high-end smartphones. The company never fails to inculcate the latest technologies with every new model. But eventually, the price tag also increases. That's where people wish to explore the market to see whether they can get the same specification set at a much cheaper rate. Due to a lack of awareness amongst buyers, sellers fool them by producing fake phones at a cheaper rate. But do not worry, on this video, we are going to show you how to find out if your Samsung smartphone is original or fake. All you need to do is watch this video till the end so as not to miss out anything. Don't also forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks. There are some methods you can use to know if your Samsung is original or fake. Go to the dialer and enter the code #0#. As soon as you type this, the phone will automatically enter into its secret diagnostic mode and will display all the necessary information needed to check if the phone is original or not. Using these special Samsung codes, you can certainly check the hardware in your device. These codes should be workable on your device as these are available only on original Samsung phones. If your smartphone lacks these secret codes, it is most likely you are using a fake Samsung device. Method number 2. Unlike the old days of smartphones, manufacturers are getting smarter and are producing better qualities. So, checking the phone's appearance may not alone help, but verifying these signs should be the first step to recognize the originality of your Samsung phone. Check for the screen's brightness and vibrancy. An original device will offer a lively set of colors, while fake smartphones display dull colors. Notice the space from the screen to the edges. Cloned smartphones usually have a wide gap from the edges of the screen to the edge of the device. Do not forget to check your device's screen glass material. Brush your fingers on the display, and if it feels like plastic more than a glass, then it's probably a cloned product. Focus on your smartphone sensor as well. Usually, you'll find these sensors to be missing on the fake Samsung phones. In case you are not able to verify the authenticity of your Samsung device with the aforementioned tricks, then proceed with the next signs. Method number 3. Check specification written on the box. You should be able to match the specification of your phone similar to the one mentioned on the back of the phone box. You can find out your phone's specification under Settings by touching on About Phone. Just compare the details on your phone with the one listed on the phone box. There, if you discovered something unmatched, you probably own a fake Samsung product. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and also subscribe to this channel for more daily tips.